Welcome to part 5 of the How Do You Network on LinkedIn series. So we're talking about reaching out, and today I want to talk about reaching out via video messaging on LinkedIn. So this is another tip for the app. Now, when you're on the LinkedIn app and you go to someone's profile and you hit the message button, at the bottom left you'll see a little plus button. When you click on that, you see options of things you can send. So you'll see the video icon there. Now, if you press that, it's going to allow you to film a live in the moment video that you can send to them. So you can put it into selfie mode and off you go. But that's possibly not the best way to do it. It's good for quick video messages. But if you want to do something a little bit more organized, when you're in the plus area and you click on photos, if you have a video saved on your phone, so in your phone gallery, or your camera roll, then click on photos and you can browse to it. So browse to that video and then send the video as an attachment. So what you might want to do then is, and I've done this previously, is you might film on your iPhone or smartphone an introduction, maybe on someone connecting to you, or you might do like a welcome video. So you might say, hi, thanks for connecting, blah, 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 ask a question, make it personal, super short and to the point. So it's on your phone, and you might keep it as is. You might just check the beginning to make sure that you crop any extra footage, and you can do this in the video. When you go into the video in your iPhone or smartphone, edit it and just crop it out. Anything at the end where there's an arm, pressing the stop button, you want to get rid of that. And that might be enough editing. Now you might take it up a notch and add in like a logo at the end or some sort of call to action. Now, this is not a sales video, so you don't want to go too crazy here, but purely for branding, you might just have that last end plate, so to speak, on the video. So you could do that if you wanted to. Now, when you are filming this type of video, if you're doing it, filming it on your phone in the moment, be aware of things like, camera shakes from just using your hand. Be aware of your surroundings, where you are, and also the audio quality, which is super important. So to take it up a notch, you might film this video sitting in your office, sitting somewhere, or using a tripod, using a microphone. Now, if you haven't got anything fancy, you could use the inbuilt phone microphone. They're pretty good. Or the headset you get with your phone, if you plug that in and sort of put the microphone on that near you, that's an option. Or you might have an external microphone, such as the Rode Wireless Go, which I've got. It's about $300. And you plug one side into your phone, the receiver you wear like a lapel mic, clip it on, and turn it backwards so you can't see the big sort of square. It's not a huge thing, and that might be what you use. So you've got that really crisp audio. You've got a tripod for stability, and you've taken care of your surroundings. You've got some natural light, or you're using lighting to light yourself up. So it just takes it up a notch rather than it being dark and dingy and wobbly and bad sound. So just keep those things in mind, because first impressions count, and video is a really great way of connecting. And it allows you not just to, we talked about audio messages, so not just adding your voice now, you're adding the visual, you're adding a smile, they can see your eyes. So it just adds another layer to that connection. So you could, like I say, create a video that you repurpose for multiple people, and you might have a range of videos to fit certain scenarios. So you might name drop an event or a industry that you sort of network with, so that you pick out that video for that particular audience. Now, the next step with video is making it actually personal by saying their name. So, hi Bob, great to connect with you. Now, obviously that video you're going to use once for the Bob, unless you know many Bobs. So then you'll have to film videos time and time again. And that's where you might then decide to do the video on the fly by clicking the plus and then clicking video and just filming it on the phone. But once again, I would still use a tripod if you've got one, or stabilizing your phone somehow. Sometimes I've propped it up. There's hacks to use like toilet rolls or things like that, or tubular things where you've cut out an insert and stuck your phone in to make it stable, and still be aware of microphone quality and surroundings. So that's video messaging, quite powerful. Now, the other thing you can do is send in same sort of way, in exactly the same area, sending a GIF or an image. So to send an image, click on the photo icon and you send an image. Now, you've got to think about why you're sending the image. It's got to obviously be relevant. So you don't want to send an image that's like a sales piece, selling your thing. That's not going to work. So think about what it is you're sharing. Maybe it's a tip, or maybe it's a little image, hi, thanks for connecting. Maybe if you use a tool like Bitmoji, which allows you to create a little not animated, but cartoon character of yourself through the Bitmoji app, which is a phone app, or you can use it on desktop. If you create that sort of image with a little, and there's so many things built in, you might find one that says, hi, or welcome. And then save that on your phone, and that's what you send as the image. So it adds a bit of personality to your messaging. Of course, you've got the camera, just like you can do a live, film a video there and then in the message. If you hit camera, same thing. You can take a selfie, you can take a photo of something. Maybe you want to say, this is my view out of the office today. Take a photo. That's something you could do. You can send a GIF. So the GIF icon. If you click on that, it will give you some options, and it's powered by an app called Tenor. So then once you go there, you type in a search word for what it is you're looking for. Now you use this to add a bit of fun, add a bit of personality to your messaging. It's got to match your brand though. Not everybody loves GIFs and memes. So people don't necessarily love those. They're very similar, same sort of beast. But you might find a way of expressing an emotion or a feeling by using a GIF. So yeah, that's another option for messaging as well. Now also while I'm in messaging, if you're looking to meet someone and you're trying to tell them where to meet, if you click on the little location in the same area, in that plus area, you can send them the location. So you can say, I'm here right now, do you want to meet for a coffee? And the availability link allows you to put some times that you're available in your calendar, send it to them, so you can sort of say, this is my sort of period of I'm available, what time suits you? So that's a couple of things you can do. So messaging, reaching out is a powerful way of building that Connectfluence, building your relationships and networking on LinkedIn. I'd love to hear how you're using messaging and if you've had any success from any of these strategies. Thanks very much for watching.